Now we're going to cover the gear case assembly inspection for the universal twin screw PD pump. When your body and product seal is removed, you want to inspect your front grease seals. Make sure there's no leakage. If there is, replace. Every 2,000 hours, gear oil needs changed. Drain from your lower plug, fill up to the top sight glass. The back side of the pump, you have an oil seal. Inspect for wear or leakage, replace if necessary. That concludes the gear case inspection for a universal twin screw PD pump. We hope you enjoyed this pump training video. Additional videos and other helpful resources can be found on our website. Once again, I'm Kevin with F&H. Thanks for watching.